For this video, JOYLDIAS sent us this really cool inflatable bouncer. Now this is perfect for those hot summer days when your kids just want to play outside and you want just a fun way to entertain them. This inflatable bouncer is going to be perfect. Now I love how easy this is to set up. You just want to unfold it in your lawn. You're going to take the air blower that comes with it. You're going to attach that to the bouncer, turn that air blower on, and then within a minute or two, this thing's just going to be fully blown up and ready to go. Now, one of my favorite parts about this bouncer is it does come with a sprayer system that you can attach right to the bouncer. You're going to Velcro that in, then hook right up to your hose. Then you're going to be able to spray the water out of the two cannons right out of the side, just making it so much fun for the kids. And they also love the sprayers at the top of the slides that just make it super fun for them to slide down and get a little wet. Now, in the middle, you can see it does have a climbing wall. This is perfect for young kids being able to climb up it and the older kids as well. It does have some nylon grips for them to hold onto as they're climbing up. And a really nice feature about it is it does have mesh screen all along the top, which just helps to enclose the area, preventing the kids from falling off. But it keeps it breathable at the same time, so that way on those hot days, the wind can just kind of blow through. And then you can see in this big spot here, it's almost just like the entertainment spot for all the kids to play. You do have a soccer net and a basketball hoop to play with. It does have a Velcro ball dart game, a target to throw a couple balls in. And then in the front here, it does have inflatable cones with a couple rings, so that way the kids can play ring toss. And it also does come with 4 really fun water guns that are just really easy for the kids to use. Now the bouncer is made out of a really durable material, which is perfect, especially when the kids are just kind of bouncing in and out of it all day long. But if you do end up seeing a little tear in it, it does come with a few repair patches, which are just really easy to place on top, and you'll be good to go. So overall, this is a really fun inflatable bouncer for the summertime, especially with the water feature on here. It just makes it perfect, like I said, on those hot days, just for you to be able to enjoy being outside with your kids and just being able to play and get all their energy out, so that way they get a great night's sleep. So if you're looking for a really cool inflatable bouncer, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.